Welcome to our store. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a dress.
Sure. What kind of dress are you looking for?
I want something casual but stylish.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium.
Look at this dress. This one is the best.
What fabric is this dress made of?
This is pure lawn fabric. The quality is guaranteed.
Is this a new arrival?
Yes, this is from our latest collection.
Does this dress come in other sizes?
Yes, we have small, medium, and large sizes available.
This is the final one. I don't need to see more.
I'm glad you like it. This will look beautiful on you.
Thank you. Please give it to me at the counter and take the payment. How much does it cost?
It's $45.
Is there any discount?
Yes, we have a 10% discount today.
Great. I'll buy it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here's your bill. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.